This video right here is sponsored by Super Clean. As you guys can see, Super Clean came through to Bully, kid. We got some of their merch right here. We rocking some of their merch. We got a bunch of products that we're going to be talking about. And if you haven't heard of Super Clean,
I don't know what you guys are doing with your life.
Alright, if you guys are following the channel, you probably seen me take apart the GM Ecotech engine last season. Filthy, abandoned engine we found. We had to take the whole block apart and clean it. It had so much sludge on it and I was struggling to clean it. But Super Clean, I'm guessing, saw that video, sent out a care package, and we are strapped for any future projects, guys. This is awesome. Big thank you to Jessica for hooking it up with today's merchandise. So on that engine build, I was trying to use any kind of degreaser I had laying around. I actually went to the dollar store to pick up some degreasers, but I'm so glad I have Super Clean now, because Super Clean is 10 times stronger than your conventional degreaser and cleaner. And not only that, it's 10 times stronger, it's environmentally biodegradable, safe for the environment. It does its job and it does it well, just like me as a YouTuber. Super Clean is the strongest degreaser on the market, period. Super Clean is biodegradable and phosphate free. It is tough on grease and grime, but safe for the environment. There's also no bleach at all in Super Clean, so it's safe for your clothing. Pretty much, you can use this thing on anything, indoor, outdoor. There's dilution ratios you can mix with. Most importantly, dilute this product with cold water. That's when it works best. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out all the products they sent out to me to test. We'll talk a little bit about them, see what they gave us in the mail. First product right here, let's start off with the big boys. Look at this, floor absorbent. I know all you automotive guys that are changing oils, doing transmission flushes, diff flushes, you're gonna drop a lot of oil and fluids on the concrete, and this is gonna help absorb all that from the concrete. This is essentially the same thing, I would guess, like cat litter. Absorbs, neutralizes, and then you can follow up with some super cleaner like this to clean the stain so your folks don't get mad. So right here we have two cleaners. One is your conventional cleaner and one is a foaming cleansing cleaner. And what more do I have to say? These products work. I've used them before I even got this sponsorship, and they work as they are advertised. Right over here we also have an aerosol container, also Super Clean, also doing work. And one thing that I'm kind of interested in checking out is this wheel cleaner. Now typically I always clean my wheels with leftover soap and water when I wash the vehicle, but now that we have this, we'll be trying this wheel cleaner out on our vehicle as well. We do have some yellowing and staining from semi-metallic brakes that we've been running on the vehicle, so hopefully those stains get removed from this product. I want you guys to support Super Clean because Super Clean is supporting local YouTubers and automotive enthusiasts. My boys right here, they all got sponsored by Super Clean, so we appreciate you, Super Clean. We will definitely try to use your products. Thank you for sending this out to me. I appreciate it. This is essentially my first sponsorship on the channel, so I'm loving it. Again, we won't be able to use these products right now, specifically because it's the winter time in the Midwest and I'm not doing any current projects that are dirty and messy. But that is not to say we have a turbo build coming up in the future. So there's going to be a lot of oil. There's going to be a lot of spillage. We're going to need Super Clean to definitely help us out with the turbo build. So thank you, Super Clean. I appreciate it. Guys, if you're watching this video, smash a thumbs up for the first channel sponsorship. Smash a thumbs up for Super Clean. Go give them a like on social media. Also, if you guys are interested, I'll have some links up and available so you can go purchase some Super Clean items and help you out with your current build. And that's going to help you out with your messy projects. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Continue watching the journey. And we'll see you on the next video. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.